we don't only clean your DPF filter, but we do a lot of other things. One of that is cleaning the DPF filter. Let me explain it to you. So if you're having a conventional approach, take your truck to a repair shop where they have to open the DPF system and take out the DPF filter and then bake it and plug it back. There's a lot of disadvantages. One of them is time. Time is money. The truck is blocked for maybe a couple of days. Second one is when they're trying to open this box, it's been crated, it's been sitting here for 300,000 to 500,000 miles. Very difficult. Most probably it will crack DPF ceramic when you're trying to take it out. Next one is if you overcook it, it will deteriorate the filter. Next one is it's only cleaning the DPF. What about the DOC? What about the SCR? What about the pipe and hoses? What about the sensors? You're not cleaning them. USA DPF Clean brought you the tip to tail process, 2-stage, which cleans the carbon from the system, from the combustion system, and from after treatment. Let me explain it to you. So the first stage, when we start the truck, we inject 3,600 liters of hydrogen in the intake system. So let me tell you what is hydrogen. Hydrogen is HHO. This process is called HHO. So we take the water and we use our patent machine and chemical which extract HHO from the water, which is water is H2O. So this one become HHO. You can call it oxyhydrogen or you can call it hydrogen oxygen. When we plug it in the intake of any truck, let me plug it. Now we start the truck and we basically, what does it do? It converts the carbon which is built up on your EGR, in your combustion system, in your turbo and DOC and other parts. It convert it to gas. When it convert it to gas, it kind of shoot it out from the exhaust system. So the most important is HHO is cleaning the whole system from the first tip of intake, EGR, turbo, combustion system, which is pistons, which is a lot of moving parts, and from there it goes to DOC. All right, so this is easy, simple to understand. Second process, which is based on chemical, patent chemical, commercial grade, not available other than the manufacturer and the importer from Europe, which we are a direct distributor. So this one we inject with 4 liters of distilled water in this pump. This pump basically gets 200 milliliter of the blast, and then we inject this through one of the sensor position. Could be a NOx sensor, could be a heat sensor, could be a oxygen sensor. We inject this chemical and let it turn off the engine and let it soak for 15 minutes. So what this chemical do, it basically convert all the buildup of ash, soot and contamination of oil into liquid form. Again, this is a very patent chemical, and guess what? It's not based on benzene. So it's not bad for the environment. It's not the bad chemical sitting in your shop or in your office. Now, when we go from there, after 15 minutes, we turn on the engine again and we inject the second chemical. The second chemical is the one which convert the liquid form of ash and soot and oil to basically hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is the process which help us to get rid of all the bad chemicals in the system through making it to the steam. So in other words, once the process is covered, we start the truck, we put our hydrogen generator on, and then we put a regen. All the chemical which is soaking the filter, DOC, SCR, cleans up, and with the regeneration or regen kicks out from the tailpipe. So there is no residual. So in other words, what we are trying to do, we are trying to do the tip to tail process less than 3 hours. You don't need to have a downtime. Once this is done, the truck is going back to the way the manufacturer wanted to truck. Like the breathing is good, diesel consumption is low. Most important is you gain all the power back. This is the system from USA DPF Clean. You can check out the videos, testimonials on usadpfclean.com. If you have any question, we have a AI voice bot which you can speak with in different languages. If you like to get your truck clean in your fleet or you're an independent owner operator, call us. We will let you know the closest DPF clean location in US or in Canada. We already up and running in California, Indianapolis, New York, Toronto, Winnipeg, Alberta, Ontario. All the dealers are already set up. And guess what? If you want to become a dealer, you can contact us. This is a very unique product, new to the North America. We are the distributor, authorized distributor. We can help you to set up and we can help you to get going. An initial investment is less than $20,000. The price for each cleanup is only $995. If you compare this $995 with the regular treatment, could be baking of one filter, $500, $400, $300, then clamps, then downtime, and then most probably when they open up, they always say, there's a good chance the filter get cracked. Then you have to buy the new filter. Could be $1,800, could be $2,500. And then definitely you're paying the labor. So the bill goes up and up and up. While our system is completely servicing your truck from tip to tail. I can repeat myself. From EGR, turbo, engine combustion, DOC, your DPF system and your SCR system. All clean in one shot. Thank you so much for watching USA DPF Clean.